Hello, こんにちは。It's Sushi-chan. How are you doing? In the previous lesson, we learned the tip form using the ru-verbs and the exception verbs. As I said last time, today we will learn how to make the tip form using u-verbs. Are you ready? Let's get started. Making the tip form using u-verbs is a little bit difficult because we need to separate u-verbs into 4 groups. These 4 categories depend on the last character of the verb. Please see this table. If u-verbs end with su, such as hanasu, they belong to the first group. If u-verbs end with ku or gu, such as kaku or oyogu, they belong to the second group. If u-verbs end with mu, bu, or nu, such as nomu, asobu, they belong to the third group. Asobu means play, hang out in Japanese. If u-verbs end with ru, u, or tsu, such as kiru, kau, katsu, they belong to the fourth group. Kiru means cut. Katsu means win in Japanese. Then I will show you how to make the tip form one by one. The first group, u-verbs end with su. In order to make the tip form using u-verbs end with su, what you need to do is to remove su and add shite. For example, hanasu becomes hanashite. The second group, u-verbs end with ku or gu. If u-verbs end with ku, you need to remove ku and add ite to make the tip form. If u-verbs end with gu, you need to remove gu and add ide to make the tip form. For example, kaku. This verb ends with ku, right? So in order to make the tip form, you need to remove ku and add ite. So the tip form of kaku is kaite. And oyogu, this verb ends with gu. That's why you may want to remove gu and add ide to make the tip form. So the tip form of oyogu is oyoite. Let's move to the third group. The third group, u-verbs end with mu, bu, or nu. In order to make the tip form using these u-verbs, what you need to do is to remove mu, bu, or nu and add de. For example, nomu. This verb ends with mu. So just remove mu and add で. So the T form of 飲む is 飲んで. And 遊ぶ. This verb ends with ぶ. So just remove ぶ and add で. So the T form of 遊ぶ is 遊んで. Let's see the fourth group. The fourth group, u-verbs end with る, u or つ. In order to make the T form using these u-verbs, what you need to do is to remove る, u or つ and add て. For example, 着る. This verb ends with る, right? So just remove る and add て. So the T form of 着る is 着て. Here is the chart of the T form using u-verbs. I hope you can remember this rule. Today's new kanji! Today we learned this kanji. For onyomi, this is pronounced as 節 sai. For kunyomi, you can pronounce as き. The basic meaning of this kanji is cut. Please remember, 切る means cut. The stroke order is like this. Today's new words. 勝つ win. 遊ぶ play. Hang out. Great job, everyone! Homework time! Please review how to make the T form using the u-verbs. In the homework checking video, I want you guys to make the T form from several verbs. Please master the T form. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in my private lessons, please check the link of my Patreon page below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. That way, you won't miss any future lessons. See you soon! Bye bye!